So let's move on to class. So last class mostly we discuss so Python. So what are the reservoirs and so what are data types? So these are the data types, right? So integer data type and so right, int, float, decimal, here complex, boolean, true or false, string variable. We can give any double quotation. What is byte? Uh, Next, byte array. Next, what is range, list, tuple, set. So these are the topmost data types in Python. So interview mostly they are asking interview question means what is dictionary and how it will declare. This is the key and value format. What is set? Set means it represents unordered collection and it won't allow any duplicate. It won't allow any duplicates. And what is list? List also same. It is the order collection of objects. We can pass multiple objects and it will allow duplicates also. It will allow duplicate also. This is here extra. In Java, there is no this keyword. Here extra tuple. It represents the same order collection of objects. This is immutable. All are mutable except this is the immutable. So immutable means we cannot change. So see here, that is the these are the main types into float and all. Just remember. So mostly dictionary, set, list, tuple, and so mostly string related questions only. Interview they are asking. Remaining all are basics only. Okay. So already you know right int decimal how it will valid hexadecimal base code this and all are known. This is the example we cover later. This is example Boolean type true or false, string data types, what is slicing. So this is very, very important. Slicing means, slice means the piece. So here, so two dot, right? There is a colon. Is called slice operator. So if you go here, so before that, so if you want to work with all this, first we need to install the so Python software, right? So how to install Python software? This is very simple only. I hope first we need to install the Python. Go to Google, just download. Okay, so download Python for Windows or Linux, whatever it may be. So Python, Linux, Windows, whatever it may be. Okay, so download. So Python for Windows. So if we click on download Python for Windows, this is the official website. You know, right? So every tool we have some official website. This is the official website. See here python.org and we can download. See, this is the latest one 3.13. If we click on here, again it is asking so which version. See here download. If you want to Windows, Mac OS or other platforms, I need Windows, right? Click on Windows. See here which version you want. So this is the 3.13. This is the stable version. This is the latest version and the previous 3.12, 3.11 base. So based on your operating system and which Python version you need, just download it. This is very simple only. For example, I need 64-bit. Click on this. That's it. Automatically it will download. Automatically see this is the exe file. So this is the exe file. Once it is downloaded, just run it. Once you install, so you know right how installing same pack. Installation is very simple only. Once if you go, once you install, if you go your C drive and somewhere if you see here Python I am using so 37. So like this it will come on folder. If you install any Java, we can see right Java folder. So like this, same way Python. And if you want to check whether my Python is installed or not, how to check? If you go CMD command prompt, if you go CMD, or we can use so PowerShell also. PowerShell there is multiple ways we can install it. So multiple ways so we can install it. Whatever you want we can check it. So how we are checking Java guys? Same. How we are checking Java version, Maven version, so some of softwares, right? Same way. So if you type so py python hyphen so version, so it will give the version of your current installed. Currently I am using so 3.7. So currently I am using a 3.7, and same way Java space hyphen hyphen version. If you want to know the Java version. So if you want to see the Maven, if you want to see the Jenkins, the same. These are the versions. So this is the same only. These are the command prompt. This is nothing but command prompt. Or if you want to work with any IDs, ID means Eclipse. There is many IDs available in market. So if you want to work with Eclipse ID or Visual Studio Code, mostly I am using Visual Studio, right? So here also it is working. If you type py, so now see here prompt will change to so 3 greater than Python 3.7. Now I connected to Python. For example, x equal to I given 10. Now see here, if you want to print x, see this is the command prompt. So directly we can, if you want to practice anything, this is the command prompt. This is the command prompt. Okay, directly if you want to do. So for example, a string s equal to I given devs. See here, if you want to print, how we are printing, guys. What is the statement? If you want to print anything in Python, what is the statement? Shell we are using echo, right? Same way in Python, which one? Chandrasekhar, print variable name. Which variable you want to print? See here. అర్థమవుతుందా? Clear, Kiran. So this is a print. This is the basic. If you want to print anything in shell scripting in Linux, we are using echo, right? And same way Python, if you want to print anywhere, anytime, if you want to print something, this is the print statement. That's it. So this is the command prompt. This is the interactive command mode if you want to run anything for practice. Or else if you want to work with any IDs, right, Eclipse ID for Java people they are using, or .NET people mostly they are using Visual Studio Code. If you open Visual Studio Code, here also, this is the, we need to run directly. See x equal to whatever you want. This is a variable. So here I am passing. If you want to print x, for example, if you print I declare string, so str equal to I given. So like this. Okay, if you want to print this variable, so very simple, no single quote, no right, semicolon and all. This is the so dynamic type language, right? So if you want to see type print of type, okay, type of what is this x? Suppose I want to know, this is a dynamic, what is Python is dynamically type language, right? So automatically it is identifying the type of that whether it is string. This is the, here we can see there is a run my Python file. So anyway, we'll see later. Now see here. So this is the 100. This is the welcome to Python, and this is the first one is integer type, and the second one is this is the string class. This is the string class. Same way that is installation, and remaining story same only. Here there is mostly we are using what is this slicing. Where is this? This is slicing. Mostly we are also using slicing means we can give like this colon. This is the syntax. So this is the syntax. This is the syntax. So slicing means so we need to give here like this. This is the slicing piece. See here, slice means piece. This is called slice operator. We can use it to retrieve part of string. So this is the string, right? This is the string variable. So this is the string variable. I print my so I printed my variable name string str. Correct? So this is the string. Now, if you want to retrieve any character from the string, this is the string. So see here. So if you want to, this can be used. So use it to retrieve the part of the string. The Python string allows 0 based index. How index will start, guys? Here, how index will start? 0. This is the 0 index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So here, so the index will start 0. Index will start 0. For example, here I passed something. MS Paint. So here I passed something, right? So string equal to I given devs str equal to so I given devs. Okay. So here what is index will start? Index means D means it is a zero index. So E means this is a 1. V means 2, 3 and 4. This is a 5. This is the index. Now got it. If you want to retrieve these characters, we can go for slice. This is the colon we need to use. And so the index can be positive or negative. And positive index means forward direction. Negative index means so reverse direction. Reverse direction. Now see here. Here I given string, right? If you pass, I want to print. So I want to print str of I want to print so set 2 I given. 2 means which character, guys? 2 means which character? For example, here I given a string equal to devapps. String equal to devapps. Now I given str of 2. 2 means this is the 0. E means 1.
B, sir.
V. So run it. So what is the C? V. See here, what is the output? V. So for example, if I give 0, so 0 means which character? 0. Index
D.
start with 0, right?
D.
D. So these are the very useful in real time if you want to retrieve any characters and all. For example, if I give, for example, 6 I given or 8 I given. Do you have any character here 8? Count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. I given 8 out of range, right? Clear? I given 8. But here my string 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. If I give 8, now we are getting one error. See, string index out of range. Out of range means so you given some index value. So that index value not available in the string. I hope you understand, right? అర్థమైందా? అంటే మన ఇచ్చింది ఈ రేంజ్లో లేదు. సో హియర్ ఐ పాస్డ్ 8. But that is index out of range. Out of range means so in this string there is no 8. As is clear. So here are two ways we can pass. One is positive direction and one is negative direction. Positive means left to right. Negative means right to left. For example, here I given, see here, I given 8. Now I am giving -1. Anyone guess it which character it will come?
P, sir.
-1. Minus means right to left. So positive means left to right, right? See here. Here positive index means forward direction, left to right. Negative index means backward direction, that is left to right to left. Now I given, so guess it at least. I given -1. Which character it will come?
P.
P. Yeah? So if you go here, index means 0, right? Do you have any somewhere you can see -0? మ్యాథ్స్ లో మనకి ఎక్కడ -1 0 వస్తుందా?
No, sir.
So -1, -2, -3. Negative values means minus it will starts with -1, 2, 3 only, right? Now based on this, -1 means which character? Last one. Last one means first one. This is right to left, right? -1 means this is the first. Positive means it will start with 0. Negative means minus only. -1, -2. Now what value? Now see here. అర్థమైందా? Positive means it will start index 0 to and so on. 0 to and so on. So negative means it will start with -1, -2, -3, -4 like this. అర్థమైందా? Clear? Anyone any doubt here? So based on this only, so we can understand. For example, I given -4. Now tell me which character? -4. I want to retrieve only specific character, right to left. Minus means just simply understand right to left. So this is a -1, -2, -3, -4. -4 means V. Now check it, V. But if you come to positive direction, see if you give print str of, here I have given 4. Here 4 means it will start with 0, right? Fifth character. You got it? See 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see P. Positive లో 0 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది ఇండెక్స్. నెగిటివ్ లో -1, -2 డైరెక్ట్లీ. There is no -0. There is no -0. This is the right to left, one is left to right. So mostly if you want to get retrieve and all, for example, I want to print something. See here, slicing. I want to print only interval. Also many people they are asking. That is the reason here we are seeing a few example. I want to print only. So this is a string, right? I don't want entire string. I want to print from here to here. Tell me anyone. Print str string of. I want to print v. V means what is the index number? V or O. I want to print from O only. What is the index number?
3, sir.
3 na? Okay. 3 colon I given. So now see here. So it is printing 3. Not as print, right? Okay. Now see here. Now got it. 3. So 3 means 0, D means 0, 1, 2. 3 means O. So I want to print from O. So like this. This is the slicing. Whatever you want. So I want, for example, I want to print like this. I want to print like this. Now right side. I am giving from here, right? Now same thing if I give like this. What is happening? Anyone guess it? For example, I given same thing. This side, right side, right to left. I given here. Okay. Now what is the output? Anyone? So this is okay. We can easily understand. Now from here, left side we can give anything. Anyone? ఇది అర్థమైంది కదా?
Dev, sir.
Okay. Now see here, dev. That's it. అంటే 0 నుంచి ఎక్కడ వరకే 2 వరకే. 0 to 2. కరెక్టా? See, this is a 0. This is 1. This is 2. 3 means don't take 3 also. Up to 2 means that is 3. Correct? So that is the like this. If anywhere if you want to only get substring like from right to left or left to right. So this is very very useful slice operator. So this is the slicing of string. So real time string is very very important, right? So mostly we are passing everything string only. And so if you want to get some string, and if you want to get only middle of the string, so that case also we can pass it. Now see here, I can give -4 to -1. If we can pass like this also. Print str of, this is the variable name, right? I want to -2 colon or else -4 colon, and so I am giving -1. Now tell me, so what it will print? -1 means yes sir. -2 means P. Next up to -4. What is the output? VOPS or OPS?
VOPS.
See here, VOP. Now got it. So right, if you give like this, for example, if you give like this, now what is this? Now output minus here right side. I am giving sorry. Okay, anyway we can give. Now see here, right side I am giving empty. Now see here, VOPS. Suppose if we give -1, it won't take 1 also, last character. So from here to 4. So in this case, see, so trickyగా ఉంటుంది. String operation means we need to practice ఎలా తీసుకుంటుంది ఫస్ట్ క్యారెక్టర్, సెకండ్ క్యారెక్టర్, how it will come. Now see difference. VOPS VOP. ఇక్కడ -4 నుంచి ఎండింగ్ వరకు అని చెప్పేసాను. -4 means, so this is -1, -2, -3, -4. Here ఇక్కడ నుంచి, so -4 means VOPS. But here I mention -1. -1 means it will take only -2. ఇది తీసుకోదు, రైట్ సైడ్ ఉన్నది కౌంట్ చేసుకోదు. So -4 to -2. That is means VOP. Only three characters. See, -4, -3, -2. It won't consider -1. This is I hope you understand, right? Karan, as is clear. Anyone any doubt here? As is clear. So mostly we are using so this and all slicing and all. Anyway, coming classes we will see more practice and all. So this is the typecasting. Last interview also one guy asked. So typecasting means how to convert one type to another type. I will show you which question they asked. So this is also last time one guy asked typecasting. Typecasting means now we know a few data types. So you know int type, you know float, you know string, you know set, list. These are the different types, right? Huh? These are the different types. Set, list, tuple, dictionary. There is many things you know. Byte array, hmm? Byte array. There is many things you know. True, boolean values, boolean, true and all. Now, so conversion means here we can typecasting. So we can convert one type to another type. This conversion is called typecasting. In Java also same only. Any language type conversion means if you want to convert one data type to another data type. అంటే నేను ఇంటీజర్ పాస్ చేశాను, నేను దాన్ని ఏం చేయాలి, స్ట్రింగ్ గా కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. లేదా నేను స్ట్రింగ్ ఇచ్చినాను, స్ట్రింగ్ ని ఇంటీజర్ గా మార్చాలి. హౌ ఇట్ విల్ కన్వర్ట్ కాంప్లెక్స్ బూలియన్ స్ట్రింగ్. So if you want to, that case we go for so typecasting. Now, so this is a which type, guys? Now if you see here, now I am removing everything. Now I am giving so a equal to 10. So this is a which type? str అనేది ఏ టైప్? స్ట్రింగ్ ఇంటీజరా? హలో, ఇది ఏ టైప్? క్లాస్ స్ట్రింగ్, రైట్? If you want to know what is the here, print type of s. If you give s means it will show. If you don't know, now it will show this is the string type. This is the which type? This variable print type of ఇదే టైప్, ఇదే integer type, correct? Now how to convert? Now conversion, this is one family, this is another family, this is the string family, this is the integer family. Now how to convert integer to string, string to integer? So that is the story here. See here, now they given, see here, now I am giving so int of, this is actually which value? Float value. See here, here I am giving b equal to, I am giving so 10 point so what is the type of this variable? Float b, right? This is the float value. Now we know, if you run this we can understand here which is integer, which is a float. Now I am converting. Now see here, I am giving so x equal to, sorry, int of, same thing I am passing int of like this. Now it will print here they are not using any editor. If you want to practice same thing as it is, we need to open command prompt, cmd type py. So now I connected to Python. Now here we can int of, I am passing so in example they are given like, right? If you want to same thing, if you want to copy and paste like this, here this is the editor, right? It won't work. So we need to type here. See here, int of, I am giving so 10 point so 50. Actually this is the int I am giving. So if you give like this, what is the output? 10 means it converted to integer. Now float, okay, of I am giving only so 67. I pass it integer. Now see here, now got it? Clear? Anyone any doubt here? Int of name pass చేసింది float value, but what is the output? Integer value. అంటే నేను మార్చేసాను, సో జస్ట్ కన్వర్ట్ టు ఇంట్. Here this is I take data type float, but in the I pass input integer value. Now see here, it is giving also float value 16.67.0 like this. Now very important. Now see here. So now go to here. Now now I'm giving so true or false. See here, int. How to pass boolean values, guys? Boolean values. Boolean means true or false. So I can give like this. Is it work? Is work అవుతుందా? In Python, if you want to give boolean value, what is the syntax? We need to give uppercase first letter, true or false. This is the boolean value or none. Already we saw, right? Previous class. Now see here, I am giving int of, I am giving so true. Is it valid or not? Anyone at least guess it? True is the boolean value. Boolean value ni integer ga మార్చొచ్చా? See here, true means 1. Now I am giving false. For example, small t1. See here, brace most recent error. True is not defined. Python lo true ledu. So error message. Please give correct one. I hope you understand, right? అర్థమైందా? So if you want to give any boolean value, first letter should be capital letter. For example, I am giving false. ఇప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పండి అవుట్పుట్. సో ట్రూ ఇస్తే 1 వచ్చింది, ఫాల్స్ ఇస్తే మేబీ వాట్ యు ఆర్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్
0.
0. Now got it. In Python, so now I convert to boolean to integer. True means true. So that is false. Same way, now I am giving, this is already now I am giving string. This is the interview they are asking this question. Now this interview they asked, this is the question. Now CLS clear syllabus. Okay, it won't, right? Okay. Now, so go to here. I am giving int of string of. I am giving so 10. Is it valid or not? Anyone guess it? Wait. string, string, right? What they are giving? Int of 10. They are string. They are giving so double quotation. Okay. Now I am giving so 10. 10, right? Now what is string? Wrong or not? Int, right? Int I am passing string value. Okay. First we'll see one by one. Int of I am giving so DevOps. Okay. So now this is a string. If you pass double quotation or single quotation, that is treated as string. We can give single quotation or we can give double quotation, whatever it may be. Now see here, this is the interview they asked. So can you convert a string to integer? Is it possible?
No, sir.
No. So we cannot convert a string to integer. See, it is taking error value invalid literal for the int with the base 10 DevOps. So this value we can give anyway, whether we can give uppercase or whether we can give lowercase. String value ni integer value ga convert cheyalem. That is the first question. See here, we cannot convert. But float integer convert cheyachu, integer float ga convert cheyachu. So here we have some example, right? See here we can have float, complex value, type, false, and all we can convert. But so string value we cannot connect in this value. Note, see, we cannot convert any type into except complex type. And if you want to convert string type into integer type, compulsory str should be contains only literal. The value should be base value. Base value. So what is the answer? We cannot convert in string to integer value. We cannot convert string to integer value. So remaining same only, float. So now I am converting to float. This is right? This is a float value. Now this is a complex value, right? 10 ij. 10 is they are giving. This is also it won't convert. See here, int of or float, whatever you may. So here I am flash. They are giving. So this is the complex value, right? Complex value we are giving. So like this. So this is also not possible. So string we cannot convert integer value, but integer value we can convert string value. Here, if you want to clear, what is this? I don't know. Okay. Hmm. Same. So we cannot convert any type of float type except the complex type. So complex value kuda we cannot convert to float values, any value. These are the sum of basic point. Complex means so the function convert data type to complex type. So this is the complex way. So this is the syntax. We need to give j. J means here complex. So we can use the function to convert x into complex number. Real part we can use that is the here we are passing, right? J means this is the imaginary part 0. That is the imaginary part, how it will convert. So this and all, these are the boolean, what is boolean value, true or false. Boolean value, true or false. Boolean of 0, false. Boolean of 1, true. Boolean of 10, true. Like this. This is the string. Now see here. Now, how to, we cannot, now already one point, right? String cannot convert to దేనికి కన్వర్ట్ చేయలేం ఇంటీజర్ ఫ్లోట్ అండ్ ఆల్ రైట్ స్ట్రింగ్ ఇంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇదే కదా మనం ఇచ్చాము సో సి హియర్ ఈజ్ ఇట్ పాసిబుల్ ఆర్ నాట్
No, sir.
నాట్ పాసిబుల్ రైట్ నౌ సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ ఇట్ పాసిబుల్ టు కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటీజర్ టు స్ట్రింగ్ అట్లీస్ట్ యూ గెస్ ఇట్ సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇది ఇంటీజర్ ని స్ట్రింగ్ గా కన్వర్ట్ చేయొచ్చా ఇది క్వశ్చన్ వాడు అడిగింది లాస్ట్ సెంటర్ సో now this is the integer means here I am giving so 10, right? So here I am giving s equal to dev now ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయొచ్చు x of int of dev so this is not possible, correct? ఇప్పుడు నేనేం చేస్తాను st of I'm giving so 10. Is it working or not? Is the question. Now see here.
No.
Now see here. St of I'm giving 10. Is it converting or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now remember this is the question. Now I'm giving integer value. I want to convert to string. So string means any string if you add a double quotation or single quotation, that is now it is the integer value. Now it is string.
String, sir.
String ఎందుకే అక్కడ యాడ్ చేసాం సింగిల్ కొటేషన్ ఆర్ కెన్ గివ్ లైక్ దిస్ ఆల్సో ఇట్ విల్ వర్క్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో స్ట్రింగ్ బట్ నెంబర్స్ స్ట్రింగ్స్ ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ దట్ ఈస్ సెకండరీ if you add single quotation or double quotations, that is treated as string only. This is the question they asked. So now what you understand, string ni integer గా కన్వర్ట్ చేయలేం బట్ ఇంటీజర్ నెంబర్ ని స్ట్రింగ్ గా ఏం చేసుకోవచ్చు కన్వర్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఈజ్ ఇట్ పాసిబుల్ ఆర్ నాట్? ఎస్, ఈజ్ ఇట్ పాసిబుల్? దిస్ ఈస్ ద సో ఫస్ట్ టైం there is bit confusion only. If you practice, this is very simple only. సో స్ట్రింగ్ ని ఇంటీజర్ గా కన్వర్ట్ చేయలేం బట్ ఇంటీజర్ ని స్ట్రింగ్ గా కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇంటీజర్, ఫ్లోట్, ఎనీథింగ్ వీ కెన్ కన్వర్ట్ టు స్ట్రింగ్. నౌ ఇఫ్ యూ పాస్ లైక్ దిస్ ఆల్సో ఇట్ విల్ వర్క్. సీ హియర్ ఫ్లోట్ ఆఫ్ str of float. I am giving for example 50 point. So this is a float, right? Now see here, just it is adding a quotation, that's it. Now it is treated as string. I hope you understand, right? Clear? Anyone any doubt? Clear? So like this, so we can convert. So remaining all basics only, fundamental immutability. So now very important. What is difference between mutable and immutable? So this is immutable already, right? Already we hear this name, but you don't know how it will work. So what is difference between immutable? Okay, mutable and immutable. This is in Java also, .NET also, all where this is the one of the topmost concept in string, topmost concept in string. So try to understand. So try to understand mutable and immutable. Mutable means, for example, this is the I given this is the x value. So here I am giving x equal to very important. If you understand, so there is nothing. I given x equal to 10. So for this we have one memory address, right? Just assume. Already last class also we discussed. ఇప్పుడు జస్ట్ ఇది ఒక రూమ్ అనుకోండి. ఈ రూమ్ లో నేను ఒక పర్సన్ మన పీజీలో ఉన్నాం. పీజీలో అంటే 3-4 పీపుల్స్ వీఆర్ స్టేయింగ్ ఆల్ టుగెదర్, రైట్? అందరు కలిసి ఉంటాం. దిస్ ఈస్ ద x equal to 10. So for this x equal to 10 variable, system will assign one memory address. This address might be anything. This is not fixed. Dynamically it will coming. So it will add, for example, it will come like this one address. It will come one address. So here to first try to understand. Immutable means all the fundamental data types are immutable. Once if we create an object, we cannot performing any changes on the object. If you are trying to change, then those changes, new object will be created. So this non-changeable behavior is called immutable. So immutable means if you assign any value to variable, we cannot change it. We cannot change it. If we change means it will create one more memory address. One more memory address. Now this is x equal to 10. Okay. X equal to 10. ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఎలా వర్క్ అవుతుంది ఇది? ఇప్పుడు జస్ట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ రూమ్, రైట్? ఈ రూమ్ లో నాకు 10 పీపుల్, సో మన 4 పీపుల్ మనం స్టే చేస్తున్నాం. అందరికి సేమ్ అడ్రస్ ఉంటుందా, డిఫరెంట్ అడ్రస్ ఉంటుందా? సేమ్ అడ్రస్. ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు రూమ్ చేంజ్ అయినావు. సో 4 మెంబర్లో ఒకడు మాత్రం రూమ్ ఏం చేసినాడు, చేంజ్ అయినాడు. వాళ్ళ అడ్రస్ చేంజ్ అవుతుందా, చేంజ్ కదా? Change అవుతుంది. Same concept here also. Now I am giving, so now I am passing already x equal to 10 I given. So for this variable there is this is a memory address. Now again if I give x equal to 11, for example if I give again x equal to, if I give 10 means it won't change anything. For example, if I give x equal to 11, in this case, if we give same like this, it won't change. It will give same memory address only. It will give same memory address only. Okay. For example, next time I am giving x equal to 10. Sorry, 11. X equal to 11. In this case, it will give same address or different address.
Different.
If you understand this concept, nothing. Now in this case, this will come new address. So this is the new address. Maybe anything by dynamically it will coming one address. In Linux there is inode values, right? Inode value. If you know inode value, you can easily understand here also. So the immutable means this is a concept. Immutable means non-changeable behavior. That is nothing but immutable. So in Python, the new object, if your new object is required, then PVM, Python virtual memory won't create object immediately. First it is checking. First it is check will if any object is available with the required content or not. If I am giving, now just assume, if I am giving y equal to, again I am giving 10 guys. Now tell me anyone, y equal to, again I am giving 10. In this case, it will create new address, it will assign a new memory address or same address.
Same.
సేమ్. ఎందుకే? చెక్ చేస్తుంది. వాట్ పైథాన్ విల్ డూ? పైథాన్ విల్ ఇమ్మీడియేట్‌లీ ఇట్ వోంట్ క్రియేట్ న్యూ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. ఫస్ట్ ఇట్ విల్ చెక్ ఇఫ్ ఎనీ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఈస్ అవైలబుల్ విత్ ద సేమ్ కంటెంట్. ఇప్పుడు నాకు చెక్ చేస్తుంది. పీవీఎం అనేది చెక్ చేస్తుంది మెమోరీలో. అంటే 10 అనేది ఆల్రెడీ ఏదైనా వేరియబుల్‌కి అసైన్ చేసుండారా? ఆల్రెడీ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అవైలబుల్లా? యెస్. ఆల్రెడీ 10 ఉంది కదా! సో ఫర్ 10 ఐ హావ్ వన్ సీ హియర్ దేర్ ఈస్ ఏ one address. So it will pointing same address. It won't give new memory address. I hope you understand. Hmm? అర్థమైందా? So that is the point here. See, immediately first it will check if object is available with the required content. అంటే నేను 10 ఇచ్చాను. y ఈక్వల్ టు 10 ఇచ్చినాను. ఆల్రెడీ 10 మెమోరీలో ఉంది కదా! ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇట్ వోంట్ క్రియేట్ న్యూ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. Say if available, then existing object will be reused. If it is not available, then only it will create new object. So this advantage of this approach is mandatory memory utilization performance will be improved. I hope you got it right. So how it will work? So how it will work means like this it will work. Concept is very simple only, try to understand. If నేను 10 ఇచ్చానంటే now if I am giving now if I am giving z equal to 100 I am giving or a equal to I given 100. First time 100 is available in memory. 100 this 100 is object is available. No, right? So for this first time it will give the one memory address. So whatever it may be, it will give one number. Okay, it will give one number. Suppose b equal to again I am giving 100. In this case, anyone now tell me? Again b equal to I am giving 100. What Python will do? First it is checking whether same object available or same content available or not. ఉందా లేదా? 100 మెమొరీలో స్టోరేజ్లో
Available.
అవైలబుల్. Now do you need to create one more separate address?
No needs.
So this is nothing but reusability. దీని ఏమంటాం మనం? పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ వైజ్ reusability. It is assigning same address. That's it. ఇప్పుడు ఒక రూమ్ లో నలుగురు ఉన్నారంటే నలుగురు 4 అడ్రస్లు ఇవ్వడం అవసరం లేదు. రూమ్ ఈజ్ సేమ్ ఓన్లీ, రైట్? దట్ ఈస్ వన్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. జస్ట్ అజ్యూమ్. సో ఇన్ ద రూమ్ వీ కెన్ లీవ్ 4 members, 5 members, 10 members. మాకు 5 ఉంచి 5 అడ్రస్సెస్ కావాలి. 10 ఉంటే సేమ్ రూమ్ కి 10 అడ్రస్. ఈజ్ ఇట్ పాసిబుల్? వేస్ట్ కదా. క్లియర్? అర్థమైందా? సో దట్ ఈస్ ద వాట్ ఈస్ డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ mutable and immutable. So immutable means what you cannot. Once if we create an object, it won't performing any changes in the object. So మళ్ళీ మనం దాన్ని ఏం చేయలేం, మార్చలేం. If we give a different one, it will create new address. That's it. What Python will do? So Python will check whether same content is available or not. If it is first, it will check. If already available, it will reuse it. If not available, it will create the address. That's it. So what is advantages? Memory utilization and performance will be improved. This is the main advantage. So how it will work means same like this. See here. Now ID. Now I'm giving come to here. So window or CL. So now I am giving so x equal to I given 10. Sorry, py, right? Okay, x equal to I given 10. Now id of x. Now second address, it is giving one id for x variable. So 10 is stored into the somewhere, and for 10 it is assigning one address. Okay. Now again I am giving y equal to 10. Now tell me, in this case what is the id? Id of y, same id or different id? Same id. That's it. See here. For example, if I give x equal to 11, in this case same id will come or different id will come? Different id will come. So id of x. Now check it. See here. Previous ID different. Now ID is different. Now this is object is changed, right? Address changed. That's it. This is the how it will work means this is now same byte data type. Bytes data type represents group of byte numbers just like an array. So now see here x equal to what is this? I hope everyone know. This is the actually this is array. Array means in square brackets we can pass some list of objects. List of objects. Now here I am passing. See here I am passing. For example, a equal to if you want to declare this is array. This is array syntax. Sequence of numbers. We can give anything. We can give like this. This is an array. This is an array. This is an array. Now, so byte data type represents group of bytes. I want to convert to bytes. So this is the syntax. If you want to convert b equal to now by t byte. See bytes of this is the syntax. Which variable? A variable. Which variable? A variable. Now, if you want to print the type of b, so now type of b, now this it is showing array or byte. It is showing byte only. It is showing so byte types. For example, here I am giving a b z equal to I am giving directly. I am not going to do anything. Z equal to for example 2 comma 3 comma 4. This is the array. Now directly if you use type of z, this is which type guys? Is a type list, right? This is the list. This is the list, right? Now I convert to bytes. Same way, if you want to convert byte array, and we'll see. We'll see later. Which case we go for byte and which case we go for byte array. Byte array that is based on requirement. We need to use that, and this is very important. List data type. So list means if you want to represent group of values as a single entity. Now this is a which entity guys? Is a entity is what is this? List, right?
Arrays.
This is the list only. This is the list only. See here list means so we can pass. See if we want to represent group of values single entity. That case we go for list. అండ్ ఇన్సెర్షన్ ఆర్డర్ ఈస్ ప్రిజర్వ్డ్ అంటే నేను ఏ ఆర్డర్ ఇస్తే అదే ఆర్డర్లో వస్తుంది అండ్ heterogeneous objects are allowed. We can pass different elements also. Heterogeneous means no need to pass same type. For example, I am giving I am giving m equal to I can give like this. See here, these are the numbers. If you want to, we can give this is the heterogeneous. Again, we can give. Now got it. This is the heterogeneous. Homogeneous means same type of data. Heterogeneous means whatever you want. అర్థమైందా? Clear? So this is the heterogeneous. Homogeneous means if I pass, this is the homogeneous. See, same type passation, only number type. But if you come to this list, number passation, string passation, float passation, whatever you want. This is the this type. Heterogeneous. Next, duplicates are allowed. If you want to, we can pass duplicates. So here again I can pass duplicate. See here, it will allow. Next, what is next point? Next, duplicates allow global nature values to be enclosed within the square brackets. Within the square brackets. List should be add within the square brackets only. Now this is the square brackets. We can give two also. Duplicates allowed. And so heterogeneous objects, heterogeneous, it will allow so multiple objects and also sequence order. These are the pattern. Anyone any doubt here? Now see here, print it, print m. Now see here, same order it is coming or order will change. Same order వచ్చిందా ఆర్డర్ ఏమైనా చేంజ్ అయిందా? చెక్ ఇట్ 4 2 7 7.0 4 2. This is the same order. List will follow same order. This is very, very important. Interval also most of the people they are asking list, set and dictionary and tuple. Okay. Anyone, any doubt guys here? Clear? Chandrasekhar, clear? Ashes.
Sir.
Okay. So we can pass. This is a list. List. If you want to declare any list, this is the syntax. Square brackets. We need to give within the square brackets. We need to give within the square brackets. So within the square brackets, and it will allow duplicates. It will allow heterogeneous objects. Whatever you want, we can pass it. So like this. So like this. So we can give anything like this. We can give. So whatever you want, we can give like this. And duplicates also it will allow. Duplicates also it will allow. Duplicate also it will allow. This is the and a sequence same order. If you print means it will print same order. Print means it will print same order. That is the it will follow sequence order. This is the preserved. Insertion order is preserved. అంటే మన డేటాని ఎలా ఇచ్చామో అలానే ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది. It won't change anything. It won't change anything. Now come to tuple. So this is the tuple. Tuple data type is exactly same as list. ఇది కూడా ఎలా వర్క్ అవుతుంది ఇంటర్వ్యూలో వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఈ క్వశ్చన్ మెయిన్గా అడుగుతూ ఉంటాడు వాట్ ఈస్ డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ లిస్ట్ అండ్ టుపుల్ రెండు ఒకటైతే మళ్ళీ వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ సీ హియర్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ సేమ్ యాజ్ లిస్ట్ డేటా టైప్ ఎక్సెప్ట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇమ్యూటబుల్ ఇమ్యూటబుల్ అంటే మీకు తెలుసు ఇమ్యూటబుల్ మీన్స్ వీ కెనాట్ చేంజ్ ద వాల్యూ లిస్ట్లో మీరు వాల్యూని ఎప్పుడైనా మార్చచ్చు టుపుల్లో యాడ్ చేశారంటే అర్థమైందా now I am giving like this same thing I am giving like this see here I am equal to m equal to see type of m this is the list type now same thing I am declaring this is the syntax don't use this is square brackets we need to use this one so now for example I given 4 5 6 2 whatever you want now if you see here type of m this is the which type guys tuple but list is the mutable but this is the immutable so mutable అంటే మనకు తెలుసు this is the immutable అంటే tuple లో మన డేటాను పాస్ చేస్తే we cannot change it now see here now I'm trying to change it first I'm trying to give l equal to I'm giving something 5 6 for example I given some values okay now this is the type of l this is the list type ఇప్పుడు నేనేం చేస్తాను l equal to I am passing like this so l equal to so l equal to or t of 0 or l of 0 equal to or l of 2 this is the 0 right this is the 0 index this is the 1 this is the 2 right l of 2 equal to I am giving 100 I don't want 87 I am 100 now print l అర్థమైందా సో ఫస్ట్ లో లిస్ట్ లో ఏం పాస్ చేశాను 6 7 65 87 పాస్ చేశాను I want to update I updated this second index okay l of 2 equal to right l of 2 to this value 0 1 2 equal to 100 I changed now go to m m ఉంది చూడండి ఇక్కడ type of m ఇది వచ్చి tuple right now I am changing to this value I am changing to second value this is index what is the index this one m of 1 equal to I am changing m of 1 equal to I am trying to change for example 10 is it possible guys
No, sir.
no see here it is scolding ఏం చేస్తున్నది తిడుతుంది ఇది సో tuple the object does not support the item reassignment is the difference interview also most of the people they are touching this question what is difference between list and tuple list means same order follow అవుతుంది ఇది కూడా సేమ్ ఆర్డర్ ఫాలో అవుతుంది see type what is this print of m See here 462 only. ఇక్కడ ఏం కుదరదు, రీఅసైన్మెంట్ అనేది నాట్ పాసిబుల్. లిస్ట్ లో ఏమవుతుంది, రీఅసైన్మెంట్ అంటే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ నువ్వు మాడిఫై చేయొచ్చు, బట్ హియర్ వీ కెనాట్ మాడిఫై. దిస్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ గైస్. ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఆల్సో దే ఆర్ టచింగ్. మోస్ట్లీ పీపుల్ ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ దిస్ ఆర్ వాట్ ఈస్ డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ లిస్ట్ అండ్ ట్యూపుల్. అది వచ్చి మ్యూటబుల్, ఇది వచ్చి ఇమ్యూటబుల్. Mutable అంటే ఎనీ టైమ్ యూ కెన్ అప్డేట్. ఇమ్యూటబుల్ మీన్స్ వీ కెనాట్ చేంజ్. రీఅసైన్మెంట్ ఈస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. క్లియర్? ఎనీవన్ ఎనీ డౌట్? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? హలో,
Yes.
అర్థమైందా చంద్రశేఖర్? క్లియరా?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is very very important question, please note it. Okay, so continuation we'll see tomorrow. So